Hi guys, so good morning, bonjour. I just want to share. So as a student in Paris, my priority before was my money should be for the rent, for school, anything the school asks, like I don't know, like books or whatever. I will buy that with my money, and food. Okay, only those three things. So anything in excess, either I have to get it from my part-time jobs, or I need to really save up for it. But even if, because I spent a lot of time not spending on those things. So even when I got money, I didn't buy them. But today I had to buy something because I will have some sewing lessons and I don't want to carry this stuff around. But I thought it's still funny, and I don't know, I think it's charming. Someone told me, oh my god, why you put your sewing tools there? It's not so unprofessional. I don't care. I didn't have the budget for it. So first, most of my sewing stuff, which one? I think I did a video before, but I deleted it. I put them on Picard ice cream. Picard is, if you don't know, it's a frozen goods store in France. It's quite good and quite cheap. So I put them here. This is like my makeup stuff. See, nail polish. And the other one is more makeup. I should have been a makeup artist, I think. And also for my other stuff, I use coffee things. I think it's good for the environment, right? Yeah. So today, yesterday, I bought something from Sewbibicheparis. By the way, if you're going to study in Paris, you have to know, or Graphic-Gros, you have to know this place. Okay, because that's where you buy a lot of pens and some sewing stuff. So anyway, I got this for 16 euros. There's a more expensive one from Bobbin, but again, I prefer to save up more. Okay, so there. So I'm excited. Finally, I'm gonna replace. I mean, even if so the things that I place here are just the stuff that I usually use for sewing. Wait, I'm lying. No, I'm not lying. I still have another case here in front. Okay, this one is a little bit better when I earn a little bit more. So that's what I did. Anyway, there's gonna be part 2 about how I saved up and how I did this. In case you're interested, follow me for more. Voila, and look. Okay, let's finish the 3 minutes of this video because anyway, it's 3 minutes. Oh my god. Open. There. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. I used to have this, but I use it for makeup. Now I'm finally gonna use it. Isn't it nice? Oh my gosh. What do they call this? User-generated content. Send me a deal. I'm gonna make and give me more of these boxes.